I mean, I'm only wearing wigs because they're protective styles. Like, I'm trying to not be on my bald head whole shit. Like, I'm trying to be on my mid-length grown shit. I'm gone. I'm gone. Ooh. Look how, like, silky. No tangles. Welcome back, my astronauts. It's your girl AshaKosh back with another video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you're notified every time your girl makes a wig. Makes a video. Lord. Yes, but I do got a nice wig on, as you guys can see. Like, where's the lace? Stop playing with me. Stop playing yourself. Your girl got her hair installed by the wig specialist. This video is sponsored by Arabella Hair Company. I do have a coupon code, which I'm pretty sure I do. It'll be in the description as well, and I'll have it on the screen for you guys. Here are the hair facts of this wig. All that you guys need to know, and it will be in the description as well. But like, this is just for you guys, because I know I got you. Bell, bloom your beauty, bloom your beauty. So it came in this pink box, and it also came with this bag. It says Annabelle Bloom Your Beauty on it, and of course the wig, I put it out on the side. It's a 22-inch for you babies. And let's look inside. So we got some lashes, pin. Look at this sparkly, super cute edge brush, and a wig cap. Wig, you guys, it's a full lace wig, and it comes with a band. It's already like attached on. All right, so you guys, I'm about to put on some lashes because I'm about to go see this Instagram hairstylist. She's really good. She's dope, one of the best ones in Atlanta. So I'm really excited to go see her, have her slay my wig. But yeah, these are the lashes that they came with, and I'm gonna put them on because I was gonna go downstairs, go get the lashes in my P.O. box, but I don't feel like doing that. I feel like just getting these and wearing these because they look simple and cute, and might as well, right? I always get these lashes. I never really wear them, so let's see how they look. You guys, I had to put on a little bit of makeup because she told me we was making TikToks, and I didn't want to make no TikToks with my face still looking like I just woke up. I didn't put any makeup on other than concealer, doing my eyebrows, then the little liner and stuff like that. But it looked good. It looked like I did a lot when I didn't. At home, so I'm not hungry. I'm missing grits and eggs. Put my foot in it. All right. Luckily, I washed and blew down my hair this morning or yesterday because I wouldn't have no time today. All right. But luckily, I put gas in my car yesterday because I would be out here walking today. Okay, I'm being prepared is what I'm saying. Let me go. Ask yourself one question. Where's the lace? Where is it? Cause I'll wait. Back talk? It's quiet. I don't hear no back talk. She didn't have to do me like this. When you give me a lace that looks this good, I'm going to act a fool. Don't do me like this. I'm going to swing my hand like this. Look at the way it moves. Okay, stop playing. Stop playing with me. Play with your kids. Cause I'm not somebody you play with. I'm not one of your kids. So you cannot play with me. Alright, I'm done feeling myself. better. The only thing I think will make this wig better if it had like an HD lace. It has regular lace, but clearly it still is like giving all of what it needs to give. But that's the only thing I would think I would really like want to be different other than this wig HD. And that's it. Like, this is a really nice wig. If you guys are into straight bone straight hair, I personally never really go for bone straight hair. As you guys, I'm usually wearing curly hair, body wave. But I hadn't been wearing straight hair and I wanted to try it. So I got this, and like you guys, this hair straightens so freaking well. Like you guys see it, it's literally bone straight. And it's really thick. To be bone straight, it doesn't look thin at all. It looks like perfect actually. And it's just so flowy. I am 5'7", so it is mid-back. It's just right above my butt, which is cool. Like now that I've been getting my hair installed professionally now, I can't tell if it's really the wig or the install, because like at first when I was on wig reviews, I never knew if it was like, I mean, I could tell like how the wig was more because I was doing it all by myself, but now I'm doing it, it's like every wig is slaying. And I'm like, is it the wig or the install? And to the point where I think I want to even go and get like wig classes. Like I want to just learn how to do this to all my wigs. Like of course I could watch YouTube videos. Like y'all used to watch my YouTube videos. I'm glad y'all don't watch them shits no more, because I'm glad I stopped doing that, only because like I'm just not a hairstylist. Like I've been around too many hairstylists, been in Atlanta, and I'm just not that. Like they really know what they're doing. I personally, when I was making all those videos, I'm not what I was doing. Like I was 16. I was listening to 16-year-olds talking about this how you pluck a lace. I always reflect on that, because I was like, you guys, when I was doing these wigs back in the day, you guys definitely check out this hair company. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out this wig. You know, definitely link is in the description. Get you a wig like this, that if you want a bone straight wig that's gonna slay your life, very affordable wig, definitely get this one. Okay girl, I'm just trying to tell you the tea. Okay, that's all I'm trying to do, is to tell you the tea. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I have a great time with my life, and I want to share it. Greatness is not this wonderful, esoteric, elusive, God-like feature that only the special among us will ever taste. You know, it's something that truly exists in all of us.